You can't see me. Because I'm camouflaged. I'm in my big camouflage room. I can see out, but you can't see in. Also, the wind gets through too. It's high enough. I'm 6'2" and I'm crunching over a little bit, but there's room for a chair and a beer cooler and a whole bunch of bullets. What I like is they got these slides to cover up the place, and then they got these hooks, and everything's secure. And then when you see a rabbit, shoot it! Shoot the rabbit! Rascally rabbit. Same over here. Undo it. Shoot it! It works. It's nice. And then if you don't like where you back up a little bit, if you don't like where you're at, shoot it! I like it. I think you will too. Thanks for watching.